Hi, good day. EPF or KWSP has just announced that the year 2019, the dividends is 5.45, and it also shows the years, and it will have these historical things, right? So I copy this and do modifications, and um, and I want to share with you that how to put this, let's say from 1994 right to 1988. So you can see 1994 to 1988 is 8%. So um, if I want to put this 8% to the rest, right, I can copy this down here, right? I can do that for every single year, right? So um, or you can make use of, if you have a lot of data, right, you can always use convert this into Excel table just by pressing Control T to convert it into Excel table, and then go to data, and then go to from table range. Okay, if Excel will open up the Power Query Excel, and what you do is that, right, you see there's an egg, you gotta fill it down, and this you gotta fill it down with 8.5. So all you need to do is just right click on the column, choose fill down. So you can see that this 8.8, right, and then here is 1980 to 1982, right, is 8%, right, 1982 to um, 1980s. 1980s is 8%, right? So 80, 81, 82, right? So let's come back here, right? 80, 81, 82 is 8%, right? So that's is called fill down, right? So just right click, fill down, right? You can also use a fill up. Now let's go to close and load. So once we load it, right, we can do chart. Insert the chart. Go to line chart. Will be great. Perhaps we're going to use the format chat. Look for select data. So the Dahun is not a series, right? Just remove it. But for horizontal, we just select this item and do the end. Click OK. So um, so start from the 19th 1953, right, until there, right? So that's the one, right? So we can right click here, choose format sys, and category in reverse. Category in reverse order, so it's easier to read that. Okay, so start from the last year, right? So yeah, there's a drop, but not so serious, right? Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you. And we're at not exactly record low, right? So historically, you can tell that it's not. It's 8%, so we can just also right click and choose in case you just want to have that easier to read. So 6.4, 5.7, yeah, 6.5. What's the latest? The latest is not show here. Let's see. Hmm. Oh, okay. So the data does not include the 018 and 018. Okay, we should include that as well, yeah. So 018. So just right click insert, right click insert. Okay. So 018 is conversion is 6.15. Then 2019 is 5.45. 5.45. 2019. Right, let's see if it's updated. Yeah, alright, so can see that bullet, yes. Yep, that's it. Thank you. That's something we share about data analysts. Thank you.